What's the meaning of collateral? Collateral. Collateral.
Collateral. Collateral. Collateral refers to something that is pledged as security for a loan. It acts as a guarantee to the lender that if the borrower defaults on the loan, they have the right to seize and sell the collateral in order to recover their losses. Common examples of collateral include property, cars, and stocks. The value of the collateral is usually determined by an appraiser to ensure it meets the lender's requirements. Collateral provides assurance to the lender that they have a backup plan and reduces the risk of lending money.